Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video, I want to show you how to make zucchini bread. Oil a loaf pan with olive oil and add a piece of parchment paper on the bottom. Add all the dry ingredients to the flour and mix everything together. In another bowl, mix the eggs. Add the brown sugar, the olive oil and the lemon juice. When everything is mixed, add the dry ingredients. Add the strained zucchini and mix again until combined. Place the mixture in the baking pan and bake at 350 for 1 hour. Let it cool in a rack before you serve it. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.